Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and today I'll be presenting my group project, which is the IIUM River cleaning. So this group consists of 5 people, which is ZAINUDDIN, IMAN, HAKIM, FUAD, AMANI, QAMARI, and me and myself, AFIQ. So firstly, what's the problem in IIUM that we wanted to tackle and through this project? So what we have detected is in IIUM River, the sand accumulation has significantly increased in IIUM River. So this build-up has dramatically altered the river's natural flow, and it's also disrupted the river ecosystems by means that when the sand is accumulated, fishes and other living creatures that live in the river have difficulty in living because their habitat have been crashed and have been disrupted by this accumulated from the accumulated sand. What will happen? So we have detected few things that can happen and already happen when the sand is accumulated inside the river. Firstly, the stagnant water will block the flow and become a breeding ground for mosquitoes, and this will lead to more harmful diseases such as influenza and also AIDS. Secondly, it also will reduce the oxygen levels, which can harm the fishes populations inside the river and other aquatic life. And lastly, the erosion of the river banks, it can also occur, and it will alter the water flow patterns, and it will lose the aesthetic of the river. So from this, we have initiated an alternative and a way to prevent this and to avoid this from happening. So what do? What we do is we do an activity or things that specifically called dredging. The dredging is a process of removing excess sand built-up from the riverbed. This will restore the natural flow of the river, and it will promote a healthy ecosystem because oxygen is not clogged, and this will enhance the oxygen supply towards the fish and also other water living creature. And lastly, it will also help to prevent future flooding events, such as because it will increase the river flow efficiency, and it will increase the river's capacity. As you can see from these 3 pictures, that this is the impact of what we have been, what we have done, where we dig and we dredge the overflow sands there. So the impact is that it improves the water quality and enhance the overall aesthetic of the river towards the people impressions. Besides that, it also promote a healthier river ecosystem, which can support diverse aquatic life where fish and also other living creatures can live there. And lastly, it will restore the river, which can be a space for recreation and environmental educations. As far for now, the efforts is very minimal, and from us, I hope that the step that we have taken here will be a stepping stones for other people to continue this uh, effort in cleaning up the river in IIUM. From the Sustainable Development Goals point of view, SDGs point of view, we have taken 3 from the total SDGs, which is the first one is SDG number 6 is clean water and sensitization, where from this project the excessive sand build-up, which can potentially impact the water quality by reducing the oxygen levels. So dredging will help to restore the natural flow and also to promote the increase of oxygen level inside the river. So next SDG that we tackle is the SDG number 14, life below water, because here a healthy river ecosystem is vital for the survival of various aquatic species such as, and most importantly, fish. So the disrupted flow and potential for stagnant water due to sand accumulation can harm the fish populations. So by dredging from our alternative ways in that implemented during this project can save more fishes in the river. And lastly, the SDG that we wanted to tackle is the SDG number 15 is, which is life on land. So here, the IUM River connects the campus ecosystem to the surrounding land environment. So a healthy river supports biodiversity and it plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance in the ecosystem. For the conclusion, dredging in IUM River is a very critical step that we need to take measures in sustainable futures for our campus, as it ensures a healthier environment, promote biodiversity, and also it aligns with the sustainable development goals, and it's what IUM visions for now. So this project demonstrates the IUM commitment to be environmental responsible, and we hope that from this project it will be a stepping stones towards other projects that are similar to this project, which is to enhance the quality and also to improve the river flow in IUM. So with that, thank you and assalamualaikum.